Good morning, students. Sairam. Today we are going to start with EVS 2. But today we are going to do revision. Now, this is revision of chapter number 4, Shivaji's childhood. Now, here we will start with our assessment. So, are you all ready? Are you all prepared for your revision? Yes, very good. Now, children, in the exam also you have to read the heading properly, you have to read the question carefully, you have to see all the options properly, and then you have to select the correct option. For that you have to read the question and the heading carefully. Now see, I'll read it for you. What is the heading? First heading is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Now see the first one. Shivaji Maharaj was born on dash fort, and the options are Purandar, Shivneri, Panhala. So which option is the correct option? I am going to give you time, so don't worry. Very good. And the correct option is Shivneri. Now see the second one. Dash from the north dispatched the big army to conquer the Deccan. And the options are Adil Shah, Shah Jahan, Shahaji Raje. Very good. And the correct answer is Shah Jahan. Now see the third one. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Dash district. And the options are Pune, Nasik, Thane. And the correct answer is very good, Pune. Now see the fourth one. Dash, the Mughal emperor made Shahaji a Sardar at his court. And the options are Shah Jahan, Fateh Khan, Adil Shah. Three options are given. You have to select the correct one. Very good. Who was the Mughal emperor? Shah Jahan. Now see the fifth one. Adil Shah assigned the task of conquering the territories in Dash to Shahaji Raje. And the options are Karnataka, Khandesh, Konkan. And the correct answer is very good. The correct answer is Karnataka. Now see the sixth one. Adil Shah awarded the Jagir of Dash to Shahaji Raje. And the options are Karnataka, Mysore, Bangalore. And the correct option is Bangalore. Now see the seventh one. Dash made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. Options are Adil Shah, Shahaji Raje, Shivaji Maharaj. And the correct option is very good, Shahaji Raje. Now see the eighth one. The principal town of Shahaji's Jagir was Dash. And the options are Karnataka, Kanpur, Pune. And the correct option is very good, Pune. See the ninth one. Shahaji Raje surrendered to the joint forces of the Mughals and Adil Shah in dash. Now here the options are in years. See the first one 1636, the second one is 1639 and the third one is 1599. Now which option is the correct one? Very good, and the correct option is the first one 1636. Now see the 10th one. Shivaji spent his childhood in dash, and the options are Bangalore, Maharashtra, Pune. Very good, and the correct option is Maharashtra. Now see the 11th one. Dash killed Nizam Shah. Options are Shahaji Raje, Lakhuji Rao Jadhav, Fateh Khan. And the correct option is very good, Fateh Khan. Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. Now see the 12th one. Dash found out a child heir from the Nizam's family. Options are Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje, Shivaji Maharaj. Very good. The correct option is Shahaji Raje. Now see the 13th one. Dash himself was a fickle-minded person who readily believed all gossip. And the options are Shivaji Maharaj, Nizam Shah, Adil Shah. The correct option is very good, Nizam Shah. He was a fickle-minded person, right? Now see the 14th one. Dash established a new kingdom which included the territory between the rivers Godavari and Neera. And the options are Adil Shah, Shahaji Raje, Nizam Shah. Which option is the correct option? Very good. And the correct option is Shahaji Raje. Now see the 15th one. Adil Shah signed a treaty of friendship with Dash against Shahaji Raje. Options are Nizam Shah, Shah Jahan, Fateh Khan. Which option is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is Shah Jahan. Now again read the heading, select the correct alternative. And the question is, why did Shahaji Raje send Jijabai to Shivneri Fort during her pregnancy? And the options are, it was a strong and fortified fort. And the other option is, it was situated within the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Come on, tell me. Very good. The correct option is the first one. It was a strong and fortified fort. Now see the second one. Who was Vijayaraj? Options are a Sardar of Nizam Shah, and the other option is a relative of Bhosle family. Very good. The second option is the correct one, a relative of Bhosle family. Now again read the heading. Select the correct option to state whether the following statements are true or false. If the statement is correct, you will click on true. If the statement is not correct, you will click on false. Now here the first question for you is, Young Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life very comfortably. True or false? Now here you have to answer me quickly. Okay? Come on. Yes, very good. The statement is false. Now see the second one. Young Shivaji played with the children from poor families. True or false? Very good. The statement is true. Now see the third one. Wazir Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. True or false? Statement is true. Very good. Now see the fourth one. Lakhoji Ram Jadhav was killed at the instigation of Adil Shah. True or false? True. No. The statement is false. He was killed at the instigation of Nizam Shah. Now see the fifth one. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. True or false? The statement is true. See the sixth one. Shahaji Raje was awarded with the Jagir of Kanpur by Adil Shah. True or false? Very good. The statement is false. Now see the seventh one. Shivneri was under the charge of Vijayaraj. True or false? Very good. And the statement is true. Now see the eighth one. Vijayaraj was the relative of Dadaji Kondev. He was the relative of Dadaji Kondev. True or false? The statement is false. Now again read the heading. Answer in one word by selecting the correct option. And the question is, the simple meal shared by young Shivaji with the children of poor Mavlas. And the options are onion and bhakri, bread and butter. Now which option is the correct option? Very good. Onion and bhakri. Now see the second one. Where was the fort of Pemgiri? Where was the fort of Pemgiri? Means where it was situated. See the answer. Options are Kondana, Junnar. Very good. The correct option is Junnar. Now see the third one. Third one. Who fought vigorously to protect the new state? And the options are Shahaji Raje, Adil Shah. Who fought vigorously? Very good. And the correct option is Shahaji Raje. Now see the fourth one. The in charge of Shivneri Fort. Now who was the in charge of Shivneri Fort? Tanaji Malusare or Vijayaraj? Very good. And the correct option is Vijayaraj. Now see the fifth one. The day on which Shivaji Maharaj was born. And the options are 19th February 1630. And the other option is 20th February 1360. Now, which option is the correct option? Which date is correct date? Very good. 19th February 1630. Now see the person who instigated the murder of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Adil Shah, Nizam Shah. Which option is the correct option? The person who instigated the murder of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Very good. The correct option is Nizam Shah. Who restored the Jagir of Pune and Supe to Shahaji Raje? Options are Adil Shah, Shah Jahan. Yes. Very good. The correct option is Adil Shah. Now here again you have to read the heading. Answer in one sentence by selecting the correct option. Now you have to answer these questions. But again, two options are given and you have to select the correct one. Now where was Shivaji born? And the options are Shivaji was born on Shivneri Fort. And the other option is Shivaji was born on Kondana Fort. I know you all know the answer very well. So the correct option is the first one. Shivaji was born on Shivneri Fort. Now see the second one. What games did Shivaji and the children of the Mavlas play? Options are, now see the first answer and see the second answer. Read it very carefully. Shivaji and the children of Mavlas played with a toy robot and with a toy car. And the other option is Shivaji and the children of Mavlas played hide and seek or played with a top or a ball. Now, which option is the correct option? Very good. The second answer is the correct answer. Shivaji and the children of Mavlas played hide and seek or played with a top or a ball. Now read the third question. How did Adil Shah award Shahaji Raje? And the options are, now I am reading the first one. See, Adil Shah awarded Shahaji Raje with the Jagir of Bangalore. And the other option is Adil Shah awarded Shahaji Raje with the Jagir of Gujarat. Yes, come on, tell me. Very good. The first option is the correct option. Adil Shah awarded Shahaji Raje with the Jagir of Bangalore. Now here your revision of chapter number 4 is over. You all can revise this again. Okay? Thank you.